Hello friends! Welcome back to Lesson 5. Our series of 汉字学习 will help you to write Chinese character properly. Let's start from the stroke order. 横撇 horizontal to left falling. It is a horizontal line that is written from left to right, followed by a downward stroke to the left. The downstroke should be a little longer than the horizontal line. 撇点 left falling to dot. Write a left downward stroke and following a long dot. Note, both strokes should be around the same length. From this slide onwards, we will learn 4 Chinese characters in Lesson 5. 水 means water. It starts from the middle part, 树沟. Then, on the left side of the character, write a 横撇, which touches the middle of 树沟. Next, write a 撇 on the top right side. Then finish the character with a 捺. The right part has 2 strokes, so don't write it with 1 stroke. It is not a 撇点. 女 means woman. It starts with 撇点. Then we write a 撇, which is about the same length as 撇点. Finally, we finish this character with a 横. 了 is a function word. You can learn it in our HSK 1 standard course lesson 5. 了 starts with a 横钩. Note, the 钩 needs to be in the middle of the 横. Then let's finish it with a 树钩. 大 means big. It starts from writing a 横, next a 撇, which is a bit longer than 横. Lastly, we finish it with a 捺. To write this beautifully, you want to make sure that 捺 is of the same length as 撇. 谢谢你的收看. If you have enrolled in our courses at Chinese Studio, please download the Chinese character writing sheets from your learning portal. It comes with grid, and you can follow the correct stroke order to learn all the characters covered in this lesson. Hope this video can deepen your understanding of Chinese characters.